Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And as usual, today also we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can block someone from your Snapchat. Obviously there is a reason to block somebody, and if you don't know how to, let me teach you. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video to your friend who just can't block their ex so they can learn and do it. So let's start with our video. First, just go to your Snapchat app and then just go to this message box icon below, click it. Then we have friends popped up. So now you just want to block, so I'll just go with this one. You can just long press and then you will have option called manage friendship. Click that and then you have option simply popping up: block, report, remove friends, edit name. I don't want to remove, I don't want to report, I just want to block this person. What I'll do is just click that block option. Now I'll confirm it, and now that person is blocked. That person will be gone, the conversation will be gone from your messages, your chats will be gone. That's how you will confirm that person is blocked. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video has helped you. I hope you know how can you block somebody who messes with your energy. And please do leave comments below so we can know what you would like to have in another video of ours. So yeah, we will see you next time.